2015 Tiffin Phaeton, model 36GH. It's 36 feet, 11 inches long, and I'm going to walk around the outside and give you some of the features of this unit. Slide out for the generators out the front. This has a 10 kW quiet diesel Onan. I've had 2 buses plugged into this with in the winter with heaters running. We look down the driver's side. There's an awning over the slide that has the twin recliners. There's a service bay with air chuck, air hose. Okay, first basement back on the driver's side is the batteries. Batteries were replaced when I bought the unit 2 years ago at Lazy Days. Basement, this is a full pass-through and it has the full slide on it. Basement just to the rear of that is a full slide through. You can see the central vacuum system there. Blue Tote has some extra filters. There's extra sewer hose that goes with it. Service bay here with the drain. Your black and gray water drains. You have a remote pump switch. You can switch from city water to filling the tank. Heater bypass valve. And the thing that I like the most, 2 things, is the tank flush. Right now I'm hooked up so that I can flush the gray or the black water. And it has a power take-up reel for the fresh water. The pump is easily accessible in the bay. Moving back, there's your DEF tank, and then for your 50 amp service that also has a power take-up reel. Last bin on this side has I just use it to keep my fluids in, and there's some extra antifreeze and engine oil. Across the back you can see the camera up there and ladder. The hitch is rated to tow 10,000 pounds. Fluids easily accessible through the rear. I haven't had any issues back here. You can see the air filter has plenty of life left in it, and the engine was just serviced probably less than 300 miles ago. Ladder for access to the roof. Come around the passenger side. Another bay, there's a plug that plugs the engine heater in. Fuse panel, circuit breakers, your chassis batteries, and the Tyron box there. This is equipped with the Tyron front tire containment system. If you have blowout, or if you've ever had a blowout on one of these, it can be a real interesting ride. Tyron's designed to keep the tire on the rim so that you don't have tires flying apart. You can see there's tire covers, and I'm also going to include a Shade Pro zippered shade screen that goes on the end of the awning. That makes it nice. Your LP bay, and then your hydraulic system for the slides. And you can see that this slide does come out all the way. Alright, that is a quick tour of the outside. I'll extend the awnings here in a second.